Hello, teacher. My name is Emmanuel Francisco Boruscamal, and today I present to you my life at this moment. And I am studying in the nursing degree of the Faculty of Nursing of the Wadi. The nursing is a science that helps support and prevent disease in the hospital environment. Nursing is loved as the life and unlike me. The list of major lectures are anatomy and physiology 2, preventive nursing, pharmacology and therapeutics 1, microbiology and parasitology, and fundamental nursing. The nursing of cares to improve the patient health and well-being.